Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to do a Q&A session about water conservation. So we start with Shakirin.
So I will ask Shah about the water conservation. So Shah, can you explain the effect of the growing
Yeah.
population on the water scarcity?
Um, with increase in population, increase the demand of water. So more people need more water, but the supply is not increasing with the pace of increase in population. So this decreases the amount of water available per person. Therefore, the effect of growing population on water scarcity is true, has effect. That's all.
Oh, I see.
And now I'm going to ask Shah. Yes. Now I'm going to ask Shakila. Okay. Write the name of sources of fresh.
Oh, okay, so the name of sources of fresh is the rivers, ponds, lakes, glaciers, and the groundwater, which are the main sources of the fresh water, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask Shakirin. So, what is the waste of conserving the water?
There are three ways to conserve the water. So the first one is do not keep the tap running while we are brushing our teeth because it must be uh, safe for the water and we not to waste the water itself. So the second one is do not throw the water after washing the vegetables. As we know, we can keep the water and use it for watering plants. And the last one is check for leaks in pipes, hoses, and also the cupping in our house to make sure that the water is not waste. That's all.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So, Shah, I want to ask you about the effects of the deforestation on rainfall on water scarcity.
Oh, as we can see, by cutting off trees in noticeable numbers is called deforestation. So these changes will decrease rainfall and snowfall, will resulting in shortage of the fresh water.
That's a good answer, Shakila. Um, Now I'm going to ask Shakirin. Okay, in your opinion, do you have any maybe three main factors that are responsible for water scarcity?
So, there are three factors that very responsible for water scarcity. So, the first one is growing population. Second one is deforestation. And the last one is a growing number of factories because these three main factors that could use the large number of water in the world.
So this might be our last question. So Shah, um, how is setting up of factories affect the groundwater level on water scarcity?
I think by setting up of factories affect the groundwater level on water scarcity is because more and more big factories are set to meet the every growing demand of people like food, clothing, and housing. So these factories utilize more underground water, which is not fulfilled again as much as it is used due to the shortage of rainfall. So this decrease the underground water level, which leads to water scarcity.
Okay. So we have reached the end of our Q&A session.
Yes, thank you everyone for participating for our third ICL task. Thank you and goodbye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.